What is up guys, this is Crack for Tech here and I am back with another video, and in this video I am going to show you how to install custom recovery like TWRP or clockwork mode or etc. on your Android phone. I am going to demo this process on my Motorola X Play. And guys, before using this method you need to make sure your device bootloader is unlocked, and if it is locked then don't try this method because you may end up breaking up your phone. And I have also created a video for unlocking the bootloader of Motorola devices. I will paste the link of that video in the description of this video so you can check that out from there. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, download these two files on your PC and install FASTBOOT drivers and FASTBOOT package. And the second file is recovery image that we are going to flash on your device. After installing FASTBOOT and ADB package, you need to go to the C drive and you will get a new folder named ADB. Paste the recovery image inside that folder. Now inside the ADB folder, you need to open a command window or a PowerShell window. Once that is done, you need to boot your phone into the bootloader mode and connect it to the PC via data cable. Also make sure USB debugging is turned on and follow this process to boot into the bootloader mode. Power off your device. Once it is completely powered off, you need to press volume down and power button for about 5 to 8 seconds to boot into the bootloader mode. Once you are in the bootloader mode, connect your device to the PC via data cable and head back to the FASTBOOT window and type this command fastboot flash recovery.img. Now hit enter and recovery will be flashed in your device. Now to reboot your device, just type this command fastboot reboot, or you can do it manually using the bootloader mode, or you can boot into the recovery using the bootloader mode. So that's all for today guys. Thanks for watching and don't forget to hit subscribe and also check out my other videos for Motorola X Play. Bye bye guys, see you in the next video.